Hello, so in the last video, that's part number 2 of a CD changer repair for Panasonic, we took this CD changer out, and this is video number 3 where I'm gonna demonstrate how to take the laser out of this changer. So before I start, let me show you the changer. So this is the changer that we took out in the video number 2, and this is the tray that we have to take to access to this PVC board that contains all the components that runs the CD. And to do that, we have to remove this cover. So we have screw number 1, 2, 3, and again 3 from on the other side as well. Now I have this system, and I've seen the original system coming from the company, and I have never seen any system, any changer where all the 6 screws are used. I have no reason, I have no idea, but that is how it is. So as you know, this is my system that I keep for taking the spare parts out. So let's quickly take these screws out. So now the screws are gone. Let's pull the changer out of this tray slowly, quickly, and yeah, here we go. So here we have the CD changer out from the tray, and let's have a close look at the PVC. So this is the main board that controls the CD, takes the data out of the CD, and convert into audio. So to take this out, you have to have few things. One is you should have this tiny screwdriver, this small one, and you should have the soldering iron as well, because to access this changer, you have to remove these screws, as well as you have to desolder the soldering of the motors. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 solders needs to be take out before you take this PVC board out. You have to remove those as well. So let's unscrew the screws and take the soldering out, and then we'll try to pull the PVC out of this system. So the screws are out, and solder has been desoldered, and let me try to pull this out slowly. You don't have to break anything, and yes, here you have the PVC out. Here you go. Let's have a close look inside. See, now this is the laser lens. This is the part that we have to remove or probably replace, and that is how it is. So let's take this lens out as well, and to do so we have to remove uh, 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 we have to remove this screw and this screw, and we have to pull this motor out, because the lens is being moved forward and backward using this motor. So we have to remove this motor, because this pulley is inside this motor. You have to take this pulley out from the gears. That gear will release the laser lens. Let's unscrew these 2 screws first, then we'll continue. Screws are gone. Let me pull this motor slowly, very slowly out, and yes, here it is. This is out. This is the motor, and here we have the complete system. So now we have to take this metal part out. Remember this, you don't have to break anything while you do this. I should have a be careful, these gears are important. You don't have to lose them. Keep it aside. And let's remove this socket, and here we have the laser lens. Let's pull it out. Here you have the lens. You can see a lot of dust on this lens because this is the system not being used for quite a long time, and it's a spare system that I keep for the spare parts. And this is how the laser lens look like. It's a RAE0150 Panasonic. And to replace the lens, if you have, you just have to lose this screw, and it will release this metal part completely. Put it in a new laser lens, tied this up, and everything will be fine. Let me show you that as well. Just a second. So the screw is gone, and here you have the metal part. Take this out. Then you have this plastic part. This actually contains the teeth that hold this metal part, and it will enable laser to go forward or backward. Let's take this metal rod out, and here we have the lens coming out of the changer, completely out of the changer. And if you are able to find this laser lens RAE0150, you can replace it the same way. You just have to put everything back into the changer and it will work. And if you are not able to find a new lens, I'll try to show you how to open this laser lens and make it workable once again. That would be kind of refurbish. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, but I have seen I've done this 2 times before and every time it worked. But there is no guarantee how many years, how many months that laser lens will last, but at least it will work for some time. So stay tuned for video number 4, where I will tell you how to open this laser lens and clean the stuff and put it back. Thank you.